Board of Counselor of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, Honorable Chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021, and also we welcome the candidates and participants who attended this event. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nimade Hridayani Karuna. We're delighted to welcome you to the Inaugurations Election Day IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, before we enter the core of the show, I will inform the agenda sequences in this evening. The first is annual report from Chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021. The second is announcing final voting result. The third is inaugurations of the elected chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2022 and the elected chair women in engineering IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2022. The fourth is deliver speech from the elected chairman of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2022. The fifth is a greetings from the chair of IEEE Student Branch Udayana University 2021. The sixth is a speech from the IEEE Student Branch Counselor of Udayana University, at the same time closing the event. And the last is closing. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we jump into the first agenda. Annual report from Chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021 for Iputu Virgawan Prasetya. Time is yours.
Thank you for the time given to me. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya. Hope you are all in healthiness and goodness. Please allow me to greet Mr. Ide Bagus Manuabe, Coordinator of Electrical Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University, Board of Counselors, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, Mr. Wayan Gede Aryastina, and Mrs. Dewi Wirastuti. Also, Executive Committee and all members of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Today, I would like to present you all about the responsibility report, annual report, the activities and achievements of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch in 2021. IEEE Udayana University Student Branch is part of Udayana University's efforts to introduce technology to the public through seminars, workshops, competitions, research, and others. As for this year, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch consists of 48 active members with our Board of Counselors, Mr. Wayan Gede Aryastina, Mrs. Linawati, and Mrs. Dewi Wirastuti, who always guide and support us in every activity. Here are the Executive Committee of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Chairman of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, myself, Iputu Virgawan Prasetya. Vice Chair, Igede Agus Aditya Putra. Secretary, Ida Ayu Kania Pratnya Paramita. Co-Secretary, Rahel Christina Prajnyawati. Treasurer, Arzalia Khairunisa Yasmin. Co-Treasurer, Nesa Amelia Hutagalung. Head Division of Member Development, Komang Gede Widiatnyana. Here are the Member Division of Member Development, Igusti Agastya Citranata, Gede Puja Dianda Mayapada, Ikomang Wikan Atnyana, Ikade Ari Wijaya, and Igusti Made Sudarma Alta. Head Division of Content and Media, Salsabila Adinda Hermawan. Member Division of Content and Media, Yosi Agusta Dewa, Made Krishna Mahendra, Dharma Duta Luhur Arta Lesmana. Head Division of Public Relation, Ahmad Ma'alial Ulya. Member Division of Public Relations, Samuel Christopher. Head Division of Equipment, Gede Widi Kurniawan. Member Division of Equipment, IKD Mustika Wiasa, Gusti Bagus Diva Aristia, Gusti Putu Ananta Mahanata, IKD Adiana Putra, Imade Anggar Dwi Atnyana. Chair of Women in Engineering, Laili Asdian Salsabila Ayu. And Steering Committee of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021, Iputu Sudarma Yoga and Yusna Dipankara Kusnanda. Here are the events and achievements of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. The first one is Call New Member. Call New Member is an activity which is always held at the beginning of every year to facilitate all Udayana University students who are interested in becoming part of the IEEE. The next is Executive Committee Recruitment. Executive Committee Recruitment is an activity with the aim that the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch has management regeneration. Next is an achievement that was achieved in the Mile Zero Project Competition. Mile Zero Project Competition itself is a technological innovation competition in the fields of economy, health, energy source, and campus digitalization for sustainability in difficult times due to the COVID-19 pandemic by utilizing artificial intelligence. The Philo Coffee team consists of Ahmad Ersam, Putu Altea, Gede Kidani, and I forgot, I'm sorry, which is representative of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, won first place. The next is bylaw discussion, which is an activity that is held after the new management is formed to discuss memorandum of association and also articles of association of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. IEEE Udayana University Student Branch also participated in the IEEE Student Branch website contest organized by the IEEE MGA Student Activities Committee, which was held in March 2021. Next is Potentials and Challenges in Solar Photovoltaic Development webinar. It's a webinar that explains the development of photovoltaic, especially in Indonesia. And the speaker is Professor Ida Ayu Dwi Giriantari, who is one of the lecturers of the Department of Electrical Engineering and chair of the Center of Renewable Energy at Udayana University. In the spirit of the first time that IEEE members and engineers around the world gathered to discuss technological ideas in 1884, we, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, internally also celebrated IEEE Day with all members by sharing sessions, group photos, and playing games together through Kahoot. On October 16, 2021, IEEE Indonesia section celebrated IEEE Day Celebration 2021, where IEEE Udayana University Student Branch is the host of the event. Mr. Deepak Mathur, Director IEEE Region 10, and Mr. Wahyudi Hasbi, Chair IEEE Indonesia section, also gave their opening session in this event. Provides a platform for all 30 IEEE student branches in Indonesia to build meaningful networking experience through engaging activities and comprised of pitch competition by IEEE student branches in Indonesia. IEEE Udayana University Student Branch also won the third place at Pitch Your Student Branch competition. IEEE Extremes is IEEE premier programming competition, bring thousands of students from around the world together into a 24-hour event. IEEE Extreme is open to all undergraduate and graduate college students with an active IEEE student membership. In this year, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch sent 5 teams to take part in IEEE Extreme 2021. The International Student Conference on Electrical and Computer Engineering is an international conference that is regularly held by IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. This year, ISCE 2021 held on 28 October 2021 with joint conference with the 2021 International Conference on Smart Green Technology in Electrical and Information Systems keynote speakers are Associate Professor B.T. Phang from the University of New South Wales, Sydney, Australia, and Professor Usagawa from Kumamoto University, Japan. IEEE Udayana University Student Branch also participated in the 2021 ICS GTEIS as co-sponsored. The 2021 ICS GTEIS held on 28 October 2021 in Swiss Bell Hotel, Watu Jimbar, Sanur. The ongoing events is Election Day, the 2021 Election Day held from 19th November until 21 November 2021. Election Day 2021 is about for changing the management of Executive Committee IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Okay, that's all I can give about the responsibility report from me as the chairman of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021. I would like to thank to Board of Councilors, all members, Executive Committee, and person in charge for their support and their time in its activities that already held by IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Thank you so much. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Ibu Tu Virgawan Prasetya, for the greetings. Ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to continue the next agenda. The next agenda is announcing final voting result. For operators, please show the final voting result. All right, based on the voting result that is shown right now, the elected chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2022 is to Ahmad Malial Ulia. Congratulations. Congratulations once again to Ahmad Malial Ulia. Now we jump into the next agenda is inaugurations of the elected chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2022 and chairwoman in engineering IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2022. Now we welcome to the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch Counselor, Mr. Ariastina, to inaugurate the elected representative symbolically.
Thank you, Irida. Sorry, I didn't get who is the chair of the Women Engineering?
The chair in Women Engineering is Rahel Christina Prasnawati.
Oh, Rahel, okay. Can I get her complete name? Can I get her name, please? Rahel? Christina?
In chat column, she, her, decided in chat.
Okay, I get it. Okay, good evening, everyone. Distinguished Head of Department of Electrical Engineering, distinguished student branch counselors and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Before the inaugurations of the new elected chairs, we would like to thank to the committee for the successful election. Okay, so on behalf of the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University, herewith I inaugurate 1. Ahmad Malia Ulia as the chair of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch of the year 2022. And 2. Rahel Christina Pratnyawati as the chair of the IEEE Udayana University Women in Engineering of the year 2022. Thank you.
Now, thank you very much to Mr. Aryasna for inaugurate. Now we would like to invite the elected chairman of IEEE Udayana University Student Brand 2022 to deliver his speech. Please welcome Ahmad Malia Ulia.
Thank you for the time given to me. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom Namo Buddhaya. Hope you all good health. Please allow me to greet the Honorable Mr. Surapta Winaya, Vice Dean of Academy and Planning Faculty of Engineering Udayana University. The Honorable Mr. Ida Bagus Manuabe, Coordinator of Electrical Engineering Department Faculty of Engineering Udayana University. Board of Counselors, IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, Mr. Wayan Gede Kristina, Ms. Linawati, and Ms. Dewi Wirastuti, Chairman of the Student Representative Executive Board of the Faculty of Engineering Udayana University, also Executive Committee, and all members of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to God Almighty, the board of counselors, mentor, and fellow members who have supported me in the election of the chair of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch this time. Thank you for the trust you give to me. I hope that all men can support each other and work together to the next years and beyond to advance our beloved IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. That is all I can give for the opening speech. Thank you for your kind attention to my speech. I would also like to apologize for my inconvenience that you might experience. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom and Nama Budaya.
Thank you very much to Mr. Malia Ulia. Next agenda is a welcome speech from the chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Brand 2021 for Ibu Tu Virgiawan Prasetya. Time is yours.
Thank you, Rida, for the time given to me. First of all, I would like to thank you for all the attendees who were able to take the time today to attend the inauguration of the Election Day IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021. I would also like to express my gratitude to the organizing committee for their efforts in making this year's Election Day a great success. Congratulations to Ahmad Malia Ulia on becoming the chairman of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2022 and Rahel Christina Pratnyawati becoming the chair Women in Engineering IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Hopefully the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch under the leadership of Ahmad Malia Ulia can become a better organization, can collaborate well with organizations on campus, can collaborate well also with other student branches, both student branches in Indonesia section and student branches abroad. In 2022, I also hope that the members of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch can get closer to each other, together building a better student branch. I would also like to apologize to Board of Counselors, all members, and Executive Committee members if there were any things that were unsatisfactory to you when I served as chairman this year. whether intentionally and unintentionally. I want to express my deepest gratitude to the Board of Counselors, Steering Committee, Executive Committee, the person in charge of this year's IEEE Udayana University Student Branch activities, and all members of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch. Okay, that's all about my speech. Thank you for your kind attention. May we are all always in a good health. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Chair of IEEE Udayana University Student Branch 2021 for the message and wonderful speech. And next agenda, a greeting speech from Board of Counselor of Udayana University Student Branch, and also at the same time closing today's event. To Mr. Aryastina, time is yours.
Thank you, Hilda. Again, I would like to say good evening to everyone. So, the distinguished head of Department of Electrical Engineering, the distinguished student branch counselors and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to congratulate the elected chair of the IEEE Udayana University Student Branch, Ahmad Malial Ulya, and the chair for the IEEE Udayana University Women in Engineering, Rahel Christina Pratnyawati. Both of you have been chosen by all of the student branch members to lead the organization towards next year's achievements and goals. We believe you and all of the appointed committee members will bring this organization to achieve a better accomplishment. On behalf of the Board of the Council, I would like to express our gratitude and appreciations to all of the 2021 executive committees as well as the steering committees for the successfully delivered all programs during a difficult year of 2021. We understand that you are facing various challenges during implementations of the programs. However, with a strong commitment and solid teamwork, all of you have successfully delivered the organization plan. Well done for you all. So, finally, ladies and gentlemen, we reached the end of the election process for the 2022 IEEE Udayana University Student Branch and Women in Engineering chairs. And herewith, I announce that the election for the 2022 IEEE Udayana University Student Branch and Women in Engineering chairs is now officially closed. Thank you and best wishes to you all. Good evening.
Thank you very much to Mr. Aryastina for the wonderful speech and for closing today's event. And ladies and gentlemen, those are the agendas we have presented to you this evening. And now we will hold a photo session. To all the wonderful attendees, please turn on your camera and prepare yourself to be photographed on the count of 3. Thank you. To all attendees, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Thank you all for your participation. And we, as the committee of today's event, would like to say thank you for all of the participations who attend our event today, and we apologize if there are any inconvenience and mistake that we made. I close it with Parama Santi. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom Namo Buddhaya. Best wish to all of us. Thank you.